Hello students, welcome to Detail Chronicles by Abhiram IAS Academy. So, Eroji Detail Chronicles lo, we are discussing about the earthquakes and tsunamis. Now, why this is in news? Because recently, an 8.7 magnitude of earthquake has been occurred in Russia, that is at Kamchatka Peninsula. And now, this earthquake has been triggered the tsunami at your place of Japan. So, earthquake wala tsunami ela trigger avutundi, earthquake ela occur avutundi, and let's also see the place significance of this Kamchatka Peninsula, which is in Russia. Idi ela earthquake ni trigger chesindi anidi. Let's all see this in the detailed video now. So 8.7 quake triggers the tsunami alerts in your Japan. But earthquake ekkada occurrindi? Earthquake anedi it has been occurred in your Russia. Once let's summarize the news. So, a massive earthquake of 8.8 magnitude struck off the coast of Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. Kamchatka Peninsula ekkadundi? Here it is. Kamchatka Peninsula. So, this is Russia. Russia ki near ga locate ayindi here, Kamchatka Peninsula, and this triggered the tsunami in your Japan region. Clear? And remember the place, Russia gurtupettukondi. Russia lo earthquake where it has occurred, Kamchatka Peninsula. Kamchatka Peninsula daggara in the year Sea of Okhotsk. Sea of your Okhotsk. Ee Okhotsk daggara Japan undi. Just remember these places, further explanation ki use avutundi. So, this earthquake has been triggered the tsunami warning in Japan and US West Coast. Also, now evacuations have been started in Hawaii Islands. Now further, earthquake, this is the largest earthquake since the year 2011. So this is the earthquake which is occurring now, largest earthquake which is occurring after year 2011 Japan earthquake. Clear? Appudu earthquake vachinappudu same tsunami vachindi and Fukushima nuclear station anedi it has been collapsed. Clear? So, Fukushima nuclear disaster jarigindi aa time lo and also same ilane tsunami ochindi. Clear? Now let's see tsunami how it is caused. Earthquake wala tsunami etla vastundi, earthquake ela trigger avutundi. Now what is those all the mechanism? Let's see. So, are you able to see this place? So, Russia, Kamchatka Peninsula, Sea of Okhotsk. Gurtundi kada? So, basically, earthquake is occurring with respect to your place. Earthquake. What is earthquake? Earthquake is nothing but simply shaking of the earth. Earthquake ante shaking of the earth. Mari, earth ela shake avutundi? So, earth layers enti? Earth lo 3 layers. What are earth layers? Earth is having 3 layers. The first one is your crust. Second is mantle. And third is core. Crust, mantle, core. So, your crust plus your upper mantle, crust plus upper mantle is equals to lithosphere. So, crust plus upper mantle emantunnam manam lithosphere. And this lithosphere if you take, this is the diagram. Crust, oceanic crust, continental crust, crust part, mantle part, and your core part. So, crust plus upper mantle is your lithosphere. Mari lithosphere ekkada untundi? Lithosphere anedi asthenosphere paina untundi. Lithosphere will be located on your asthenosphere. So, asthenosphere paina lithosphere float avutu untundi. Now, what is this lithosphere made up of? So, this lithosphere it is made up of plates. So, according to plate tectonic theory, there are 3 movements of the plate. The first movement is divergence. convergence and your transbound plate movement. So divergence is going away, convergence coming together, and further transbound sliding. So eppudaithe ee plates there will be sudden shaking of those plates, such that what will happen, a passage of energy occurs. Passage of energy. సో ఈ ప్లేట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ప్లేట్స్ దగ్గరకు వస్తాయి, దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతుంటాయి, అండ్ దే విల్ స్లైడ్. డ్యూరింగ్ దిస్ టైమ్ ఎనర్జీ విల్ బి రిలీజ్డ్. For suppose they are connected and now they're giving up and they're going away. So there an energy is released, that is occurring your earthquake, shaking of your earth, that is shaking of your plates. There is some disturbance in your plates, that is why your earthquake is occurring. Will this be clear? Now next, మరి ఈ ఎనర్జీ అనేది పాస్ అవుతుంది కదా, how it is passing? So energy, this is interior of your earth, inside of your earth. Clear? So this where the energy is coming, here the shaking is, here the collapse of plate is happening. Ikkadiki energy transfer avutundi, and this energy is released exactly perpendicular to your, this energy is passing exactly perpendicular to your surface. This is surface. So this is your hypocenter, this is your epicenter, and here these waves are touching your surface. Mari ikkade waves pass avutunnai. So there are two types of seismic waves. Broadly, there are two types of seismic waves. One is body waves, and this body waves is divided into P waves and S waves. And the second one is surface waves. So, ఈ P waves, S waves, ఇక్కడ ఈ collision of plates ఉంటాయి కదా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి energy transfer అవుతుంది in interior. That time, your P waves and S waves are released. This is what you are getting in your magnitudes. Clear? This is what you, ఈ magnitude ఉంటుంది కదా, Richter scale where we measure the waves or how much earthquake occur అవుతుంది అనేసి, what is measuring? It is your Richter scale. Clear? So these P and S waves you can see in your those observation. So P waves and S waves, when they are touching your surface, that time the collapse is occurring. Clear? P waves ante, P is standing for primary waves, which are the first waves or first energy released waves, and second is S waves. These P waves can travel through all the mediums of your earth. That is, you take liquid, solid, and also gaseous state. But S waves, they will travel only through the solids. Clear? So this is seismic waves. And when this P and S waves, that is body waves, touching your surface, you are getting the release of energy and it is causing shaking of the earth. Clear? So ippudu ఈ కాంకట్స్కి పెనిన్సులా ఉంది కదా, this is located on your Pacific Ocean plate, that is Pacific plate. And further here you can see Sea of Hookstock. Sea of Hookstock is a minor plate which is located on your Eurasian plate. So, ee Kamchatska Peninsula, so right here itself. So, see here, Kamchatska Peninsula, it is located on Pacific plate. It is located on Pacific plate. And your Sea of Hookstock, which is a minor plate, it is located on your Eurasian plate. So now your Kamchatska, that is Pacific plate, and your Eurasian plate, here they are interlinked. Now what happened? divergence has been happened. Divergence has been occurred. So divergence wali plates are they are subducting. But now there is a disturbance such that when they're going away, there the release of energy has been occurred. So, release of energy, now it caused the earthquake. And this magnitude is very much. Such that, now what happened? These are deep sea earthquakes. So, these deep sea earthquake has been triggered your tsunami also. Clear? So, one is locating on Pacific plate and other is on Eurasian plate. They are like subducted. Now, there has been released. There's some disturbance have been occurred. Now, they are moving far away such that release of energy has been occurred. Is this clear? So, that is why both earthquake and tsunami, this earthquake has also been triggered your tsunami. Now, let's see what is an earthquake. An earthquake, as we discussed, is a sudden release of energy in the earth's crust that creates your seismic waves. These seismic waves are your P waves, S waves and body waves. And further, what is causing earthquake here? So, most of the earthquakes are occurring due to the movement of tectonic plates. And if you remember, this Kamchatka Peninsula, it is around your ring of fire. What is ring of fire? That is around your Pacific Ocean. Clear? And what is having in Pacific Ocean? These, you can see more amount of plate movements. And further, if you see, these two, that is Kamchatka Peninsula and Sea of Okhotsk, they are forming a Kuril-Kamchatka oceanic trench, deep oceanic trench. And this is also one of the reasons to cause your trigger of your tsunami. So, most of the earthquakes occur due to movement of your tectonic plates. Now, these tectonic plates, they are large pieces of earth crust that fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. Now, when we are disturbing that puzzle, that time your energy is released and causing earthquake. Clear? Ippudu, what are different types of movements of your plates? One is normal fault, like this, reverse faults, strike slip faults. Sliding each other or reversing is occurring, and that is striking each other. See, they are reverse faults they occur when rocks are pushed together due to compressional force. Now, what is normal force? First of all, these rocks move apart due to their tensional forces. But here they are pushing up together due to compressional forces. There it is sliding. Now, okay, we have already been seen two main types of seismic waves, P waves, S waves and surface waves. So, P waves are they are the fastest waves. So, P waves are your fastest waves. These are primary waves. These are the first waves to come, and they are in your direction of wave propagation. Now, second to come after your P waves is secondary waves. So, these are slower waves that shake the ground perpendicular to the direction of their travel. And after this body waves, they are touching your surface. That is why we are naming it as surface waves. So, these surface waves, they are slower in motion, and further they move along your earth's surface and cause the most damage. Is this clear? And now further, ekkadika చూడొచ్చు earthquakes. What are the earthquake zones? At your plate boundaries, at your mountain ridges, mid-oceanic ridges, and also at your fault zones. Clear? Now, what are the effects of earthquakes? The most effect of your earthquake is infrastructure damage and later ground shaking. Ground shaking is leading to building collapse, bridges collapse, infrastructure damage, tsunamis. Underwater earthquakes are triggering your tsunamis, and further landslides. So, slopes become unstable, leading to the downhill movement of your soil and sand and dust. And even you can see the rocks are falling, landslides and rock slides. Ippudu tsunamis ela occur avutundi chuddam. Now, let's see how tsunamis are forming. This I have already discussed. Okay. Give a moment. So this is about Kamchatka. Already we have discussed. Now water tsunami, let's see. Tsunami enti, tsunami deni valla trigger avutundi due to earthquake. Now what a tsunami is, a sequence of sea waves are occurring. So these sea waves displaced, if they are getting displaced, and what is happening is sudden energy is flowing. Due to the sudden energy, what is happening, the sea waves, majorly tsunamis are considered to be waves, but they are not waves. What is happening is, they will take the height formation. They will compress, the displacement occurs, and now compress అయిపోతాయి. ఈ compress అయిపోయి, they are enlarging into the height. ఈ height అనేది increase అవుతుంది. So, a tsunami is a series of sea waves which is caused by displacement of a larger volume of water, typically due to your underground earthquakes. They come on displacing one after the other, and therefore, and afterwards they are raising to a certain height. Clear? And further, so basically tsunamis are not related to tides, but sometimes they are mislabeled as tidal waves. Now, if you break down tsunami, su ante harbor, nami ante wave, harbor దగ్గర వచ్చే waves. Clear? So the term tsunami is derived from Japanese word su ante harbor and nami ante waves, harbor waves. And what is the mechanism of it? Like how it is caused? What are the different kinds of factors affecting the tsunami? One is underground earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, landslides, meteors, and also large storms. These are the causes of your tsunamis. And now further, let's see the genesis of a tsunami or the sequence of steps with respect to tsunami. First one is generation. What is generating here? So initially waves have low height and long wavelengths when formed at the sea. So wave formation, which is having crest and trough, low waves and high waves. So these waves have low height and long wavelength when they are occurring at your seas. Next step is propagation. First thing is genesis. Second thing is propagation. Now what is happening in this propagation step? So waves are traveling at jet plane speed. They're reaching a distance. So they're traveling with a very much of speed across your vast oceanic distances. ఎంత అంటే ఇప్పుడు రిలీజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఆ ఎంత ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందో అంత స్పీడ్ తో వెళ్తున్నాయి ద సీ వేవ్స్. Now further amplification near the coastlines. That is, as these waves approach the shore, you can see the sea floor is raising. It is increasing in the length, compressing the wave and increasing its height. Wave is compressing, therefore leading to the height increase of the height. And last one is landfall and impact. So these waves can arrive in multiple surges over hours or days and causing extreme flooding and destruction. Clear? ఒక పెద్ద సీ, ఒక పెద్ద వాటర్, నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా, ఒక ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఇస్తున్నా దానికి. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ ఎనర్జీ పాస్ అయిందో ఆ వేవ్స్ కి, దీస్ వేవ్స్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ అట్ అ స్పీడ్ and therefore it is rising in its height. When it is rising in height, what happened? Ikkada unna area anta mungipotundi dantlo. Therefore it is leading to destruction and causing the floods over there. So first is generation, propagation, amplification near coastlines, and last one is landfall and the impact you can see. Clear? This is how your earthquake, which is a release of energy, is triggering your tsunamis. Is this clear? Earthquake ochindi, due to that release of energy, now tsunami has been coming up. That's it? Yes. So, we have seen what is an earthquake, how it is caused. We have also seen about the Kamchatka Peninsula. Where is Kamchatka Peninsula located? At your Pacific plates, and Sea of Okhotsk, it is located at your Eurasian plate. These two are subducted and they are forming your Kuril-Kamchatka deep oceanic trenches. So as the earthquake has been triggered now, what happened? The energy is passed to this place and now it is triggering a tsunami also. Is this clear? Due to plate tectonic, as per plate tectonics theory, when the plates are disturbed, there occurs the release of energy. That release of energy, you are calling it as your earthquake. And earthquake vachinappudu P waves, S waves and body waves are being showed up. P waves, S waves, when these P waves and S waves are reaching to your surface, appudu body waves, it is your surface waves. And these surface waves are your destructional waves. Is this clear? So, idi the brief introduction or the brief chapter about your earthquakes and also about your tsunamis and Kamchatka Peninsula gurinchi ela trigger ayindi, ela vachindi ani cheppesi. Clear? And this is very important for your UPSC mains exam. Mains lo causes of earthquakes and even your disaster management also. Clear? Geography lo, that is GS1 and GS3 lo disaster management kinda you can expect a question. Clear? So thank you. Have a good day.